welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about college tax credit for parents and students. A college tax credit is a great way to make paying for college more affordable by significantly reducing the amount of tax you need to pay. You can also assess the tax deductions to lower your taxable income and so reduce the amount of tax you need to pay, as well as assess other tax advantages such as using a 529 accounts for your college savings. Taking advantages of these tax break is one of the best things you can do to make college more affordable. Maximizing your tax benefits through credit and deduction can represent significant saving over long term, especially when you start early. You can also receive a lot of tax benefit if you save for college in a 529 plan. What are college tax credit? The federal government offers a range of tax breaks designed to help families save and pay for college. These include tax credits as well as a number of tax deductions. The main difference between tax credits and tax deductions is that credits are discounted from the amount of tax you owe rather than reducing your taxable income. In this way, the tax credits are even more advantageous than tax deductions because you can take the full amount of the tax you need to pay. The two main college tax credits are American Opportunity Tax Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit. Depending on your individual situation, you may be able to use other tax credit like earned income tax credit for your or your child college expenses. What are the college tax deductions? Another form of tax break offered by federal government to encourage the college saving is tax deduction. The deduction reduces your taxable income, meaning that you don't need to pay tax on all of your income, although not as beneficial as tax credits. Tax deductions can also significantly reduce the amount of tax you need to pay. So you can put that money toward college saving or whatever you would like. Furthermore, using tax deductions to lower tax liability will mean you have a lower adjusted gross income, which could give you the access to other tax deductions and credits. College tax credit for students. The two college specific tax credit available to students and parents are American Opportunity Tax Credit and Lifetime Learning Credit. Both need to be claimed through Form 8863 using the information you'll find on your Form 1098T, which your school will send to student. However, keep in mind that you can only claim one of these tax credits within the same tax year. not both. You may also be able to apply the earned income tax credit to your college expenses. Let's take a look at each of these tax credits, their limits and eligibility. American Opportunity Tax Credit. You can claim the American Opportunity Tax Credit AOTC on 100% of the first $2,000 of your college tuition and expenses. You can also claim 25% of the next $2,000 in tuition and related expenses, up to a maximum of $2,500 per year. Note that eligible expenses are limited to tuition, mandatory fee, and course material. You cannot claim the credit for non-required fees or expenses such as room and board, insurance, and medical care. The tax credit is means tested, so is not available to higher income earners. The AOTC is phased out for the single income between $80,000 and $90,000, and for married taxpayers filing jointly who earn between $160,000 and $180,000 per year. To qualify, students will need to attend a degree program at least half time. Additionally, the credit can't be claimed in more than 4 tax years for the same students, and student can't have finished your years or more of academic study before the start of taxable year. As an extra bonus, the eligible taxpayer can get a refund on as much as 40% of credit. To be eligible, you need to be past kiddie tax age of 18 years old or 25 years for full-time students. In this case, even if you have no tax liability after applying for AOTC credit, you could get a refund of up to $1,000. Lifetime learning credit. Under the lifetime learning credit, the taxpayer can claim a credit for the tuition and mandatory fee for their college education. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Keep watching, keep supporting.